What's up? What's up? What's up? Your morning, your hello, you're sleeping, you better wake up. Welcome back to Delisha Life and Travel. Welcome back to Delisha TV, ATL, all things Liberian. Yeah, so today's video, I posted few pictures on my Facebook page and Instagram, and I had a lot of people DM me that they want to know. And people DM me on, how did I tie the hair tie. So I told them I was going to make a little video to show them. So yeah, I am. In this video, I'm going to do 4 hair tie tutorials. So let's sit back and watch. And please, 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 don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share my work. I love you. Let's get into the video.
Something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. I am drifting away. like it. You like it. So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I am music playing so loudly, see me now and then I wide awake. We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decisions, it is part of the deal. You like it, get. You like it. So watch my body just take it all in, take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. You like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, you like it. So watch my body just take it all in, take it all in, just take it all in. So hey.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, love, share, leave a comment, tell me what you think about these head wraps. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. I love you.